So you're the last of the 4 young ones starting out on their journeys today. Being a second late for a train or even a Pokémon can be life-changing.
Does that mean I go on my journey without a Pokémon?
Well, there is another. This Pokémon is called Pikachu.
Hi, Pikachu. My name's Ash Ketchum. You and I are gonna be best friends. What's that? Oh. Pikachu, someday we'll both meet that Pokémon.
Pikachu!
The legend says the rainbow wing will guide you.
We've got to get moving and find Ho-Oh! You want to come along with us?
You're too soft. Remember, might makes right, and that's it.
Let's go, Pikachu! What's way out there? You never know until you go there. And as long as my buddy's with me, I can go anywhere.